guys, welcome back. Alright, so we're going to open up 4 more of these boxes. This is the Minecraft, it's the minifigure, ones that have no name. It's pretty much the minecarts. So what we do have from last time, sorry about my camera freaking out there, we have the pig and we got 2 witches and the Enderman. So we're still missing Steve, Alex the creeper, the zombie, the skeleton, the mushroom, iron golem, wolf, and dyed sheep. So I'm going to go to Walmart tomorrow and I'm going to see if they have more of these. Hopefully if they do. I have like 3 Walmarts that I can hit here between Gardnerville and Carson City to see if I can get some more of these ones in particular. I'm still looking for my spooky series. I have no idea where the heck they went. It's really annoying to me because we were so close to being done with that particular series, and then I had a couple other series in those boxes too. I'm hoping I can find them, but I plan on picking up hopefully some more spooky series because my Walmart seem to always have those. And then there was a couple others that they had, and then maybe a couple of the hanger series, which the hanger series are these guys right here, which are some of my favorites because I am such like a Minecraft freak and a weirdo. Not only do I have the new gaming channel that I'm trying to still get together and post videos, I do a lot of streams on that. A lot of my streams go to Mixer Create. So if you download the Mixer Create app and then you search for Bleeding Black 85, you can see a lot of my live streams with my daughter Serenity. We have a world together on there, and I play on mobile and then she plays on the computer. I'm trying to get it so that I can get my laptop up and running properly and getting that set up so that I don't have to play on mobile, because like the controls on the mobile are kind of weird. It's not horrible, but I'm not used to it. So like I look like a total noob playing it because, like I said, the controls on the mobile are very, very odd. But I'm trying to set up my laptop so I can, you know, play on the laptop and actually play properly. So give me a little time, I'll be able to set that up and get that recording properly. But for now, you'll see live streams on Mixer Create for Minecraft mobile / Java edition. So it's kind of weird because it's kind of a mashup of the two. So, but yeah, if you are on Mixer Create, it's an app you can download for free. And then you type in, search for Bleeding Black 85 and you will find me on there. I'm also on Twitch as Bleeding Black 85, as well as Xbox. That's my handle, my gamer handle on there. And then as well as YouTube, it's Bleeding Black. I think it's Bleeding Black Plays on YouTube. And then, yeah, so I'm either going to be Bleeding Black Plays or Bleeding Black 85, depending on what you're watching. But yeah, Twitch and YouTube, I haven't actually got to stream on there yet. I have to figure out how to do that. But if you, like I said, if you go to Mixer Create, it's a free app. You can download it. Not sponsored, but I do stream Minecraft mobile on there occasionally with my daughter. So yeah, I'm under Bleeding Black 85. So, but yeah, I want some more of these guys because they're pretty cool. You can hang them from like anything. I would totally hang them from my keys, except that people would play stillies from me. So, but I'm still missing stuff from that series as well. So instead of blabbing and talking about absolutely nothing, let's get on to these guys. So I have like nowhere to put this stuff. So I guess we're gonna probably put this stuff wherever I can put it and go from here. Okay, so let's hope we don't get any more duplicates. I hate duplicates. Also, I want you guys to tell me in the comments, where should I display these in my house? Should I put them in a mason jar and keep them in there? I don't want to keep them in the boxes because that's totally boring. I want to display them. So should I put them in a mason jar and stick them on my walls? Or what do you think I should do? Now, just to let you guys know, I have 2 cats and a dog. The dog's not the problem. Cody's pretty cool. He doesn't really get into my stuff. But my cats are very curious, especially the little one. Squishy is my little devil child. So anyway, let's see what this one's gonna bring. All right, and we got the wolf. Isn't he cute? I love the wolves. All right, so we didn't have this one before. It's totally awesome. Number 2. Oh my gosh, come on. All right, box number 2. Yay! We got the mushroom. All right, so we have these 2 guys now. Isn't he cute? The little mushroom right there. Maybe if my camera wants to behave. Box number 3. All right, we got the skeleton. How cute. I love these ones. I love that they have the rolly thing on here. And the final box. So far, no duplicates this time. I'm gonna throw these guys in here. All right. Oh man, see what happens whenever I talk? Another skeleton. All right, so that means that we are still missing Steve and Alex, the creeper, the zombie, the iron golem, and the dyed sheep. So we're still missing a significant amount. So let me show you guys. We're missing that guy and this one, which is really cute. And then we are missing the 3 up here. Come on, camera. There we go. We're missing the 3 up here and the zombie. So tomorrow I'm going to go to Walmart, see if they have any more of these, and I will pick up some more and we will do another video on them. So I have 2 more of these, but it's a different series. I'm going to see if I can find at least like 2 to 3 more of them so we can kind of get that one unboxed and everything. I'll see what my Walmarts have and kind of go from there. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys are enjoying this. Also, I have, for my makeup friends out there, my Ipsy bag should be arriving, it says around the 24th, so next Tuesday. And my Boxy Charm should be here like literally any day. So hopefully, I'm keeping my fingers crossed it's today. I will be doing unbagging / unboxings of those on here very, very soon. So keep your eyes open for those as well. Keep your fingers crossed I can stay out of the hospital and get good news on my doctor's appointment tomorrow. And that's going to do it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you guys think I should put these, where I should put them in my house, what I should put them in, so my cats stay out of them and don't take off of them, especially Squishy. And I think that's it. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.